एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ ब्लड प्रेशर। आज का टॉपिक है एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ ब्लड प्रेशर और मैं हूं डॉक्टर श्यामवीर भरैया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, रोग निदान डिपार्टमेंट, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, जयोति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। आज हम ब्लड प्रेशर को किस प्रकार से मेजर करते हैं उसके बारे में देखते हैं। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन। While your blood pressure is the force of your blood moving through your blood vessels, your heart rate is the number of times your heart beats per minute. The pressure wave is not same as travel faster than the blood flow itself. Blood pressure का सिस्टेमिक आर्टियल ब्लड प्रेशर। अब इसकी डेफिनेशन देखो। ब्लड प्रेशर इज द प्रेशर विच द सर्कुलेटिंग ब्लड exerts against the walls of the blood vessels in the course of circulation and is a good indication of the capacity of blood vessels and of cardiac function. अब इसको मेजर किस में करते हैं? मेजर्ड इन मिलीमीटर ऑफ Hg या मरकरी। अब देखते हैं ब्लड प्रेशर। रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू प्रेशर डिवाइडेड बाय फ्लो, ओम्स लॉ, वेयर आर रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू टोटल पेरिफेरल रेजिस्टेंस, फ्लो इज इक्वल टू कार्डियक आउटपुट, प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू आर्टीरियल ब्लड प्रेशर। thus arterial blood pressure is equal to cardiac output multiply total peripheral resistance. Arterial wave is equal to systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. Pulse pressure is equal to systolic pressure minus diastolic pressure. Types of blood pressure is first is normal blood pressure up to 140 140 divided 90 mm of Hg with the average of 120 divided by 80 mm of Hg plus minus 100 to 140 mm of Hg systolic plus minus 60 to 90 mm of Hg in the average adult WHO. Increase gradually with age minus systolic more than diastolic. Hypertension number 2 mild 140 divided 90 mm of Hg to 160 divided 95 mm of Hg WHO के according. Moderate to serious hypertension more than is equal to 160 divided 95 mm of Hg. And special cases diabetes more than is equal to 140 divided 90 mm of Hg. Pregnant woman more than is equal to 140 divided 90 mm of Hg. Isolated systolic hypertension, systolic more than 160 mm of Hg divided diastolic less than 90 mm of Hg. Hypertension number third is equal to more than 120 divided 80 mm of Hg. अब देखते हैं hypertension. Definition: hypertension is defined as a sustained increase in the systolic and or diastolic arterial blood pressure above the normal. Classification of hypertension: प्राइमरी, इसी को एसेंशियल या इडियोपैथिक हाइपरटेंशन भी कहते हैं, सेकेंडरी हाइपरटेंशन एंड अदर टाइप्स ऑफ हाइपरटेंशन. Malignant hypertension is definition. Malignant hypertension is a sudden acute condition which develops in primary hypertensive patients. Preeclampsia, pregnancy-associated hypertension. Definition: preeclampsia is a condition characterized by hypertension with a degree of renal limitation which it suddenly develops during the second half of pregnancy. Causes of hypertension: complication of renal disease या failure. Causes: secretion of abnormal large amounts of renin, plus inability to excrete adequate amount of salt and H2O. During yearly renal failure, the kidney experience ischemia and secret renin angiotensin I conversion to angiotensin II, resulting in vasoconstriction plus aldosterone. High, hypotension, low blood pressure. Hypotension is defined as the decrease in systolic and diastolic arterial blood flow below the normal blood pressure. Chronic low blood pressure suffixes present with tiredness, lack of energy, periods of vertigo. Orthostatic hypotension definition BP that falls more than 20 mm of Hg on standing from a sitting or a recommended position, seen more in the elderly causes. Reduction of complication of arteries is a normal part of aging. Inadequate heart rate response owing to decline in autonomic control. Certain hypertension drugs give drugs at night. Syncope या fainting या मूर्छा caused by a sudden lowering of blood pressure with a resultant cerebral anoxia and loss of consciousness. Causes when a person stands for a long period of time, blood accumulates in the lower limb, leading to the draining of blood from the brain. Neurogenic factors, sudden pain, bad news, can turn into a shock condition, especially when accompanied by other causes, example, trauma, serious infection. Shock, condition of acute circulatory failure, which characteristic hypotension and decrease in microcirculation leading to hypoxia of the vital organ. Factor leading to shock, heart pump failure, blood volume decrease, peripheral circulatory failure due as a result of vasodilation so that the blood accumulates in non-essential areas. Arterial pressure measurement, direct measurement, most precious measure direct connection to major artery to a transducer by a catheter. Indirect measurement method developed by Rivarokai use sphygmomanometer, oscillatory method, ear palpatory method, field. The oscillatory method involves listening to Krotkoff sound using a stethoscope placed over the brachial artery in antecubital fossa of the elbow. When pressure exerted by the cuff much bigger than the pressure of the systolic pressure, there is no blood flow, hence no sound. Pressure much lower than the systolic pressure. This leads to blood forcing its way under the cuff for short period at the beginning of the systole when the pressure is highest. Blood flow sound are turbulent and move in a high velocity that causes the sharp tapping. First Krotkoff sound that can be heard systolic pressure. Pressure in cut falls lower and lower the sound loved up becomes louder, then diminishes. You hear the change in sound from a tapping to a muffled sound and then thereafter to silence. This is the diastolic pressure, fifth Krotkoff sound. The palpatory method, the taking the radial pulse with inflecting the cuff. The systolic pressure is the pressure where the cuff pressure cuts off the pulse, hence no pulse can be felt. Limitation cannot measure diastolic pressure. Advantage provides a wise instrument in a patient suspended of hypertension silent period with protocol sound. How to measure systemic arterial blood pressure? Let the patient be seated or lie down. Using the left arm of the patient, determine the radial pulse. Wrap the cuff around the left arm, above elbow, at the level of the heart. Inflate the cuff, keeping track of the radial pulse. When the radial pulse cannot be felt anymore, you have an estimate of what the systolic BP is. Place the stethoscope in your ears. Deflate the cuff and pump the cuff 20 ml of Hg higher than systolic BP. Slowly fold the cuff again. Listen to the beginning of the thrombing sound systolic BP and the end of the thrombing sound diastolic BP. Repeat the procedure 3 times and determine a main BP. Reading are influenced if the cuff is too small, leads to pressure not adequate transmitted to artery. Significance of BP reading. BP varies over a 24 hours period, influenced by factors such as physical activity, emotional status of patient, pain, temperature of the environment, use of tobacco, use of caffeine, certain drugs, physiological factor, example, gender, build posture, emotion, physical exercise, age, the effect of sleep on blood pressure. While sleeping, there is a decrease in symptomatic tone leading to a fall in BP. Arterial CO2 tension also rises plus together with a cyclic BP changes. This leads to an increased cerebral blood flow. Drugs that affect blood pressure, drugs that increase BP affect antihypertensive therapy, sympathomimetics in cold and flu medication, ephedrine, phenylephrine, phenylephrine, phenylpronol, most appetite suppressant, NSAIDs, myofast. Should it be used with foods that contain tyramine, dopamine, example cheese and wine, methylphenidate, oral contraceptive, carbenoxolol, corticosteroid, antihypertensive medication should they be withdrawn suddenly. इस प्रकार हमने बीपी इंस्ट्रूमेंट के द्वारा बीपी का मेजर करना सीखा। थैंक यू।